Welcome to Grinders, where we have filled one chicken wing full of the side of Grinders death sauce. And it looks like we still have enough for one more chicken wing full of Grinders death sauce. Hey Seth, take a whiff of the death sauce.
That just doesn't smell good.
What's it smell like, Seth?
It smells like death.
Okay. You ready to eat the chicken wing, Seth?
I'm not eating it.
You're not gonna eat the chicken wing?
Heck no.
Alright. Death chicken wing.
Yeah, just wait a couple seconds. Oh my god. This is turning red. Oh. Poor Dad. Oh, good strategy, good strategy. Oh. Smell that. Oh, it smells disgusting. I don't think a tater tot's gonna chill it down. Are you out?
Everything's tasting like burning.
Are you out?
Nope.
Why don't you dip your finger in this and eat that first? Or the blue cheese?
Are you throwing in the towel?
Half a wing down.
I don't think a carrot's gonna help her. You look like you're about to puke.
It's hot.
Would you wish you could have just taste of vision?
You want a bite?
That's it. It's over. Deathwing conquered. He's crying. Oh. This is gonna look great on YouTube. Is that it?
I don't know.
How do you feel?
Face is burning.
What else?
Everything tastes like fire.
What else?
I don't know how people eat 6 of those.
Well, the old ones were like... Well, how were the old ones?
These are
compared to-
way hotter.
I should have never done that.
You want some more?
No.
How about you?
That's hot. It's hot. And we had like that much. We had a full wing. Oh my god.
They just took a little bit of tiny dab off the end of a fork, basically. Just that much death sauce right there. That's how much they had.